Matic review. Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today's video is all about Matic by Billydar. This is the dashboard of Matic. I will explain you all the features of the product and full demo, and my bonuses were $1,284. So what is Matic? Well, Matic is an affiliate app which software builds automated bonus pages, and software includes 50 traffic sources. Matic is useful for affiliates to promote products available on JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So if you are interested in, then stick with me till the end. And you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. Before we go forward, I want to tell you about my bonuses. If you see in the description box, there is a link of my bonus page. When you click that link, it will redirect it to my bonus page, which look like this. Matic is the world's first autopilot affiliate app, gets you unlimited free traffic and sales in just 60 seconds. The software is, in short, gives your customer everything they need to create high converting bonus page easily in just few clicks. It also contains done for you templates, and the software is 50x one click traffic sources included, but without the monthly fees. This is the cool features here. You don't need to pay monthly fees like ClickFunnels. You just pay one time and you get all the features. This is the fully automated affiliate app, gets traffic and sales in 60 seconds, 100% newbie friendly, no paid ad, no hosting, no technical skills. So when you scroll down, this is the prices and upsells. So this is the front end price, which is $17. Access the powerful Matic software and training modules. Okay, so first upsell is limitless edition in $39. The limitless edition of Matic has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Okay, so second upsell, automated edition, $39. The automated edition of Matic lets you unlock the addition traffic features of even more free viral traffic. Upsell number 3 is done for you edition in $197. In this upgrade, our aim is to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. Okay, upsell number 4 is a 50 done for you campus edition in $39. The 50 done for you campus edition lets you instantly import a 50 done for you campus into your Matic account. You can instantly edit, customize and use the template for your own business to get traffic, leads and sales. And upsell number 5 is a machine edition in $197. You will experience a very individual customer's funnel setup experience. Okay, here is some key benefits you may be interested in. This is the autopilot traffic and sales in just 60 seconds, easy, new and unique. Created for newbies, zero technical skills needed. Leverage 50 traffic sources in 3 clicks. 3 figure a day tutorials included free. Experience freedom and 365 days money back guarantee. And get result or get paid $1,000. So these are the benefits of this product. This is the demo of this product. I will explain all the features of this product. Before you go forward, I will explain you my bonuses were $1,284 if you purchase this product via my link. So this is my first bonus, is automatic done for you. This amazing software provides 50 assets, tons of traffic and monetization. They want to provide a 100% done for you solutions for consumers so that you don't struggle going from scratch. This software have tactically placed exactly what you need for success. So this is my second bonus. 3 high quality traffic sources to use with Matic. This bonus will help you to get traffic to your Matic bonus pages. Matic includes 50 traffic sources, and I will explain you 3 more traffic sources, which is high quality traffic sources. So my third bonus is 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list. This will help you to provide 40 bonuses to your customers. I will give you 40 lead magnet bonuses. You will give away these 40 lead magnets to your customers and build your list. My next bonus is insurgency. You will get access insurgency in only first 24 hours. Insurgency will help you to get traffic and leads to your Matic bonus pages using Facebook ads. I will explain you the how to run Facebook ads and all that stuff. So my last bonus is all the bonuses which provided by vendors. So when you click any of this green button, it will bring you to the sales page of this product. When you scroll down here, when you click this button, it will redirect it to the payment page. And when you bought this product, you go to your Warrior Plus account, click to the purchase history, then you will see this button, okay, which says affiliate access affiliate bonus. When you click that button, you will get all the bonuses which I promise you. So come to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of Matic. First you import your Facebook account. So click the import account. Okay, log into your Facebook. When you log in your Facebook, it will show all the pages of this of your Facebook. Then you you enable your connection. So just click this button and says okay. Then you connect with this software. Then click to the search top deals. So here you will see that there is a 3 platforms which is JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So first you click this button. It will show you the name of this product, feature date, details and account actions. If you want to see this sales page, then click. So if you want to promote this product, then you just click this button, which is grab this deal. When you click that button, it will redirect it to the request affiliate page. My internet is slow. So here you ask for the affiliate approval. Click to the request approval. Once you get the approval link, you copy that link in Notepad and save that link. So the second step is you click this button and create new. Done for you, page builder. So here you have two options, either pre-built layouts or the uploaded templates, the ready-made templates. When you click any of these pre layouts, let's say blank, when you click this button, it will redirect it to this page. So you customize this page as per your choices, or you click any of this template, ready-made template, you make changes. You make changes in this page and save this page. After you done all this thing, click to the one-click affiliate page and says create new. Okay, here put your campaign name, let's say demo. Click your affiliate link. For example, I just type google.com, save. Then you customize your page. You will add promo header bar, bonus pop-up, review overlay, and messenger chat pin. You put everything if you want to customize this page. Once you customize this page, then click to save. Because I don't customize this page, it cannot be redirected to the next step. So I will customize this page. Promo header bar, the promo header bar, which is this. So I copy this and paste here. The duration, okay. Pop-up headlines, let's say hi, just for example. Click to the save. Okay, so this is the third step. You add anything for the social media share. Let's say hey, description hello. Choose an image to share this and click to the save. It will be redirected to the step 4. Here you will add Facebook pixel code and Google Analytics code, and then click to the save. When you save this, they provide you this link, and you just copy this link and share this link to get the sales to your page, to your bonus page. Okay, so this feature is about commenting, the automation committing. Create to the new template. Here you will add a automatic comment. These are the templates. You go through all this. The training will be provided in this section, training section. Okay, so if you click this social posting, once you import this Facebook account, you will share this pay bonus page to your Facebook page. And when you click this button, social blast, it will allow to share your bonus page to all these 50 platforms to get the sale to your bonus page, to get the traffic to your bonus page, sorry. Okay, so this is the Matic is all about. If you want to purchase this product, then just click to the link in the description and grab your copy by clicking this. So thank you, good night.